In the early 20th century, amidst the industrial boom, a company named Bayerische Motorenwerke, BMW, was born in Germany. But unlike today, where BMW is synonymous with luxury cars, the company's origins were rooted in something very different: aircraft engines. In 1916, BMW began as an aircraft engine manufacturer, producing engines for planes used in World War I. Their engines were known for their reliability and power, earning the company a strong reputation. However, after the war, the Treaty of Versailles banned Germany from producing military aircraft. This forced BMW to shift its focus. By the 1920s, BMW entered the world of motorcycles, creating innovative designs that were fast and durable. Their iconic blue and white logo, inspired by the spinning propellers of their aircraft engines, became a symbol of precision engineering. It wasn't until 1928 that BMW ventured into automobiles. They acquired a small car company and launched their first car,